Today we're gonna be doing a quick photo shoot with the brand new GFX 100 RF. I'm super excited about this camera and can't wait to use it for the first time. So we're gonna do a simple photo shoot. Here are the settings I'm gonna be using on my camera. I'm gonna be shooting in JPEG and RAW, seeing the results and letting you all see what I get. Let me know in the comments if this is a camera you're planning on picking up, and let's go ahead and get into the shoot. Cool. These are fairly, I could hold one of these if you want to use them as a step.
Yeah, may not be like I used to be.
Right there. I'm gonna turn you out this way. Perfect. The shutter's so quiet. Perfect. Look over this way a little bit more. Awesome. I'm gonna do some like closer details. Leave your hand, you had your hand kind of on the side there. Yeah. Yep, kind of look over. Perfect. Awesome. Let's get you down from here. Or no, I'm sorry. Go behind them. Yeah. Perfect. Turn like profile. Yeah, your whole body. Yep. And just hold that for me. That's perfect. Come through here so I can see your face. Yeah. Actually, how you kind of like came in, that was perfect.
Okay.
There it is. Hold that for me. Awesome. I think that's good. Let's keep shooting a bit. That's perfect. Eyes here. Let me take a close up of your belt. Yeah, I'm just trying to get some detail shots in there. There it is. Look down again. That was perfect. Let's try doing a walk-in shot too. We'll try to keep about this distance so you can walk at like a normal pace. And here we go. Look to your, what's that, left? Stop there. Perfect, hold that. Awesome, let's start going upstairs. Come over to the corner too. Yeah. Unless it's too dirty. Try to spread out a little bit more like your leg, like a leg, yeah. There you go. Hold that for me. Do that again where you were kind of like fixing your hair. You had your head turned a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. If you could for me, I'm gonna try. If you could grab the corner of this little bridge, I'll see if I can make it look cool. Trying to see if I can angle it right where it's not. I do like how you're looking down because that keeps it from it being so much like shooting right up at you. Try to come almost dead center of that triangle. Yeah. Awesome, that's perfect. Now I'm gonna come up there. And you can do some more like, yeah. Yeah, come up closer so you're not too close to the, I wanna have you sitting in the middle. That's perfect. Yep, and then turn your head over this way a bit. You can come a little further too, I wanna see. Yeah, I love profiles. There you go. And then eyes here. There you go. There it is, perfect. All right, you can get up. You need a hand, you got it? Are we old enough yet?
Yeah.
My break.
Come on, girl. Get up.
I'm gonna have you get in there and maybe do like a, give me one. But definitely like a kneel down or something. Yeah. Try to back up just a little bit so there's not as much light on your face. Right there is probably good. No, you're good.
It's the wind.
There it is, that's perfect. I kind of want to jump in there maybe. See what it looks like. What is that, yo? Smelling good. I didn't realize this was like small like that. I thought it was normal sized at first. Yeah, hold that. Perfect there. Now that I'm all done with the shoot, what do you all think of the GFX 100 RF? Honestly, I'm super impressed by this camera for portrait shoots. It's really fun to use, and I think that's kind of the main point of the camera. It's an interesting camera, and I can't tell what all the photos are looking like when I punch them in, so I'll check that out when I get back home. You all can let me know in the comments as well. Also, keep in mind, everything you saw is pre-production, so we'll see what it's gonna be like once the camera is done. Also, I'm gonna be checking out the raw files later, so definitely make sure to subscribe and like this video. Stick around on the channel to see more. I'll be showing off some of the raw files and how they edit and so much more. And I'll catch you all next time.